Only say I love my son. Is there anything wrong for a father to say Odoreba? Mimi Muja and Ra Bonedate. And son will come back. And son will come back.
Yo. Too much GH near Ghana for Asha for Etie for. Onipa bi a won subscribe e too much GH no subscribe wo na ehintasem ensema ebuafa on my Ghana so ena ye de bremu one God in ye the only one God in GH eho ana de bia mehwe abrechefo ene Ghana for mo wiasa fa na me recommend emamo too much
GH and when you go to our show me dey Anamoah ousa any day and some abubaba ewe ya man Ghana mu no ena me de beto dwa se na wo a wo hwe so betimi enye di ewo mu na sisi ade Ghana ha se oba fashion world na abrante bi abegia boso te se o twa ho bebi a enye ye wo pese nanim enwo bebi a ewe fashion industry ka mema fashion side na abrante American ho asem no Osebo ebiem so yesa friend Zaraman Richard Brown ono ho asem America na abrante we ansa na wo ba into the limelight no comment bi a wo be live wo bi picture say ena man kofo adwen eba no ho so say obi ebi se na wine na me sha say emfi ho nana aba Anamoah is broadcaster GH1 as a CRD waka management team one they say wo ko the name bibia toso wano edi aba no ne ba paako a woni ni etwa picture and go for the say the fans for oh nice good looking and it say all kinds of comments and will be ever comment say I love you my son na Ghana has say go for the woman ni ekodi abrante nechi ye do most kwahwehwe etire hu say nana aba Anamoah ne ba wedi 18 years no pa ko no ne papa ene Osebo yi no pe ene Osebo se be ye celebrate wa Ghana ade bia de ono so nya opportunity che de otimi ewo ye social media atmosphere no emu na Osebo so oba no amba ne kwa wo the fashion sense different types ena eba ye now so say on na bad relationship no say na call yes say esi shat ye say na ba ko hia no wo hefa no no pa de won na to say emu nchire mu pa de na Ghana for ye nim but fida obe comment say I love my son on na ba ne picture say na Ghana for hu say ono na ye ne ba no ejab na ba so emma bontin be cheche mu say no kware say no kware na Ghana for ye de ni e che say ye tia hu say one pa na baba bontin abeche ye nsem na say because na ba ewo hoi on meka da say ne ba no ne apani ana say ne papa anyway won chire mu da ba de bia yinim say owoba every ni 16th year wo akola pa akọ bema etu ho no yenti da say eje bi ewo ho ko ti say Osebo ebe comment post na say enu nti ensem no any to say the reason behind that any say na Osebo timi free picture ni mu no say na okoba ye osabe shemu bi ma optimi be ye otimi be gina ho as the father of Nana Aba Anamoah ne ba no no na say ade there was Baba Bondi say we be chirem na Ghana for be hu the side of the story because ever since Oba into the limelight no as we be a boni dimbo no anti wo pa na abrante na uja Nana Aba Anamoah bra na wonim 16 years no uja ne ya wan hwe chire anhwe ne ba ma ba yo we nkwa ebreye say obrin mojeni etete ne ba on her own no na we die Ghana for the Super Bowl Osebo say on the wicked man pa because member do na su wo be ma bi wo ha o be dad o be bi do na no be defender for Barca kan sem de degu na sum wo ka wie no di tumpe o yenhia wa wo mu hia ba ko mienu na nyin se ba mpo na onim ni biem enu nti da Ghana for su say sa na Osebo e de ye Nana Aba Anamoah enu nti na oba no wedi hu yawa masesisi akrampo a Osebo e de na ma bonte se ne ba ne po no on timi mba bonte meti ni pise eye no kro se nye no kre enu nti central for ya ye de pese en defense em ye hu bibia ne fare by enu nti central for epin by Osebo se won kire mu e ba ne sen one Nana Aba e ba ne sen e na otimi ene ne nya ba a woja ne wako for all these years yes so that entin kan nti
I believe say eyasade bia etwa se esi bia no oye den ebesi me frame shop ha na me kwa amasaman na me program bi ona sport bi wa amasaman na friend Israel me economy do so Alec Johnson na me share no when hu me me younger brother bi o Germany sia me nenam me hu na same this girl is nice. Also, Basil Yanko now, yes, the poker own cash in Jenny Yanko, and if you fasten your coy. You do a mass time a coy, you be a year banner, minimum do also buy your then as a man left. Full stop. On or then a bass and bad media. Meaning from a bass and mahoy, and then go for very sharp of papa. Says about papa will pee. I always say, I love my son. Is there anything wrong for a father to say, or the back? No. Ono who ye no no the two ono ko free ho. The oye no ono fi say oye ne. So many people are against me oye. Like I said, say nyon kwa oba awawo ne papa onhu ne ba papa. Nti ade na won da bia na me hu me ba papa for 3 years. Ono ba papa nkasa for 3 years a. Eno so o to social media. Me bia me shop we esoro ha no 2 years money away. Me invite you. So I was coming. And also when you emergency meeting, because I was uncle. And I'm saying fine. Just 2 years ago. So where from? My name Papa Pankasa for the past 16 or 17 years. I thought about from Odi ahe. Maybe I come as I'm so nipa. Uchi madrene. No nyameshe no di shawo. Girl no, me nyadwem boni bia won ho da. Na me nya bi nso da. Why are they papa? So it may raise a boy. I bet him angry. Single mother send on academia. But bibi uncle papa and ye prede. Obin to me one about on tonchene. Say on sheneba. No. And ye bebusa a day and a best say a day when temati ma quine the demo. So your bar and only baby I saw ya. O Bobra, I say a hand time by Umua. Ebia who say a hand time. Ebia over fan say a son of Subantia. But do dinner home. Ebia says Subana would then only be that. And for go against you. And I say, why you be da? The way an engine one. Only be the pair. The woo, you know. But can't say be found because I judge by appearance. Ebia no 2 madrin and says, but in Talina was sending to one as out to be on me. And so she could be on me. And to me, who's and go for Cassandra and Hammy because no crown many Yankopon in him. And to bit my judge me. Oh, I would judge him and Hammy because me, my brother, won't me see me and won't me here also. Means saying good out, good yammy. They say me, yeah, didn't Yankopon was a master mother. The Nipabeca and family because do we be an Ebeca myself. Maybe say, oh, who and I got a phone say they were more fun and 7 minute problem and your sanity. Any problem cry. And some yes had many pain nails on papa. Send you boon and yes, I not here. Paul can sing you or say me bring me one centi, Yanamofisa me Jimmy. No, any Jimmy. Oh, Banna didn't come no can send me say for the sake of me banning tea. Men copper my manager. Open it on one penny. Waiting in court. The only time I'll pass out in a court, a time I'll pass with Joe Banner. But me be that. A big quincy me to that. And son will come back. Send us off for Castle with Yankupon Banjala, Yami Banjano, Mimi Muja, and Ra Bonedate. My home is short time. And son will come back.
Semuti Osebo Ejim now, or Chesed and Abandi and Pa and Carison or Canacan, no shadow, now Osakra or Yakolakitwa. Ah, they said now or should I any Nindia or door and name Nancy Ewom. Na was shano ewa brown no soon in ya or one what like almost Shanyama town. Na woman Shanyama town no disha by you so nice girl. Okay, if I move in the way and I say ni se bem subaya na aba Anamoah ne dino. I said there or arrogant I say or humba so be on whom wakasi any say or sit abi may the same yenny say or sit abi may say every crown pa wo two kwan our back our find out say na Anamoah kra awo ne bakra or yet accept the dia say na Anamoah emban in church as a woman simple ensu konya and discuss it wo ba no asem krampa oh dabi ena ma ye busy ena djuma ena menam ha say ena emergency enunti Anamoah ni suban bi e wo no ho enunti ena ama one Osebo ana Richard Brown no why out of Omoba Park on life all this while I and Anamoah kwa na we raise akola for all these years and say ye pese ye hu enchiremu ni hu the reason why I na only her for all that long time na because na Anamoah no or arrogant no so wa makwan pokra say wo be ni bana na so be bipo e de aboa akwala no na we na gonna focus say and Osebo kasa wedding drop because even woyere a oware no ex-wife no or him only netina for 16 good years no chronic testimony waka about you no just say for all that 16 good years now no worry and even before mo worry mpo no now wo ma asem enya asem ketwa ye ntibi handle ye kan ma asem a wo Osebo ye handle because oba bia ade won shesket ali na ni munya ofe oh beti ato sesi a empak rampa one wo da so se oyire eno okurukura but bi oba ebeda so e ma ni yi so be shit kosi oyire anka ode ni kunute na wo kunu ko fo oba e wo wechi sa de ne beda won paso no wi ase yi be shit esi no utimi se be ya ro sempa na wo Osebo na kwese utuban wo didi won kwala afam wo so bi so naive na adwum bi kakra oh na o don se was se wo two format eguni trim na o kan sem o fa line na je se na eno anu no wa konka eni santi sa na de na Anamoah che wo yiri mpo nsem a wo kan onupo oni na wutu a wo hye ne ka wa hwe ne kwampo no wenu no hu se or worry in the first place. And inti so na ba so out of the life and then ba life na I want a reason intia. Na mpo se ka obeti upese wonwa na aba Anamoah and then ba na ka obeti me aboa kra in so many ways without say or no eba be share kra po no ma bon komo. And ka obeti me asere ni sika through Western Union so we are going to mkrapa Western Union wo ho edie mkrapa otimi di mabusua to di fabusua so na se wo anka se mo Western ADP se na won pese be part of urban life no enu ti na wo twe ho afa wo hu se ni mame ayipo ne ho modern or konkan de se bibia to so wa no mo de mo pe di abin na mo pe di abie wie no afa na wa be bata ho se ye oba ntiga na fo kan am se ye Osebo wo yi ne nikra afi na aba Anamoah ne ba na wa wo no because enko pe ne se ba enkasi asese no engobema na ni akono hom na 16-year-old girl kran we jano with akola kese won ferin poster wo sa boss say utimi jai mo then I want me anya hwe say oba be hwehwe wo ba ewe say oba be hwe wo be chira kwan akwari oba foforo esa ne oba fofa na at na 16 good years she wo ba ni kra 8 difference 2 years ago within 2 years na akofo oba foforo enu nti o kan sa o kire mu asit say den kra Ghana for yent wa say that because hu ni say wo eye Osebo no otumo osum pan osubania etwe say otumo osum o ex-wife akam and from the way na aba Anamoah so or ignore no any to say on sema o ka about na etwe say ampa unye obi a ye de ye ho betimi ato so se ne Canada na mema nye sumienti se mane emfi obi ma makwan wo ba na wo hwe nim so besa aba wetro no obetena se artist na bra ba hu se na ne mame abre won ho ahwe na ko school abo no ho ka agye nguase e won ho ene oba wan ware na oniba utakwa na ware ye na sa tese ye na society edema na obegidi nia akai ni nia ehun se dabi wo ne papa Osebo no wadi ni bone enu nti bibia nu ebe ma wo ba no asan wechi aba won chese sa na wo dwen se ebebe mu a ene bi so ka se ewiase sa na titi o ewiase nyefe abaiwa ebebre ewo ne ba ho sa abomodi abrin mojeni se be me jan ho no on jan ne ba tan de on timi nya ne ba empo ne ba sa wo beta ne ba ho abra tete ne ba ubo mo be ma kwatia ye de opa o edubre bi obe yare ati ato se bre na se waye lose ewe no aba ena me ba fa me boni chemi o ena me ba ma sheda anya nyi o fa chemi na me nim sa na me ma dodo na esubaye omo ye boni ni wie na oho no mo betimi asoma no da bi o omo nim se e den akla no benyi a we bi se be papa we papa we nti da chi asemti wo metimi eja akọ na tenanti wo wa ba ka omo be gete omo ba no se na wo mu ja won na enu nti ebe ya ye Osebo asema o kan ye hu ni se sa line se wa kochia na wasaba bi wo hu se se adede na apa Anamoah wa bod ho mode wa gane hye ne ba no se edwa ne kra je ne ni hunyama wa kaka dia to eni no utim sa ya akono enu nti ana wasa na chi ebe prese ne ba ene paako na nti ko ba biem a na wa wrem oba na ko beto se eye paako na ba Anamoah no ekubola msikubola po kubolo a one na mabonti so de se o shiwi eye nyama ensefata ko besa asa na chi aba se ne ba no ana enu ti se na na mema dodo na wo musuban etie ebusefo adwenche no bi na mede atu enim no wo so wo hwe dia na wadwen tre efa eye Osebo ne nsem o da betu ja efa se no wo hia na aba ne kone ne de eba ni ate se nsem bebre na wo de egu honum dia na wodwen efa ho de wodwen bia fatu ja e wo tuma GH ye comment section na biem so no share video we efa ma dofo obi biara me di edina na ama ohusu a obetimi afolo tuma GH our Instagram page @toomuchgh_ Macron.